DJI Mic 2, let's unbox. Boom, 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 boom. User manual, quick start guide. Boom. Wow, you do get a DJI sticker. How to fly the future. Mission enrich our lives. Ooh, memory card stickers, DJI logo stickers. Oh, these are cool. So here we get the pouch and it's got a nice little pull tab here. Boom, there it is. The new DJI Mic 2 right here. And you have to press the unlock button, push the unlock, and nice. Wow. These look good. And you have your capacity indication right there, as well as your battery life, your lightning adapter, USB-C adapter. You got your mic right here. This one looks like it's syncing already. This one is not. I'm not sure why, but here it is. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. And you have the little scroll wheel here. Ooh, it's a nice tactical scroll wheel. You have your audio out and your microphone, and it's color coded so it's easy to see. You get a USB Type-C, so you can charge it without the case or charge it with the case using these contact points on here that connects there to charge. I do like the charging case because you can just put everything in here, close it, and it's all charging. And when you open it, everything is ready to go. Oh, it opens faster than the old DJI Mic. In the old DJI Mic, when I opened it, I had to wait for it to kind of start up before I take it out. Now this one is much faster. And oh yeah, so this one was blinking, the light which is on the other side. Oh wow, this one has some transparency. If you look closely right there, you can kind of see the transparency-ness of it. That looks really cool. And then here you have your USB Type-C charging if you want to charge it individually, or I like to charge it in the case. Again, when you open it, everything's ready to go. Oh, they even have like an upgraded magnet. It looks like a beefier magnet than before. Yes, this is a big, stronger magnet. I can tell right away. That's a nice feature because with the old magnet, it doesn't hold on through thick sweaters. And this one, much stronger. I like it. And I do like the transparency-ness of it. It looks really cool. Good size too. It's about the same size as the original DJI Mic, but it looks much cooler. If I didn't want to use this receiver, the new DJI Mic 2 can connect directly to Bluetooth. So if I want to just carry this and connect it to my iPhone, I can do that. That's sweet. And it has a locking latch there, battery indicator here when you're charging it. It is USB Type-C charging. Over here you got your cable, USB-C to USB-A for charging your DJI Mic. Over here you have your windscreen. Let's take a look at the windscreen right here. Boom, nice. It has a little stem right here, makes it easy to attach and detach. And then you got the other one. Boom, the way these attach to the microphone is super easy. So here is your microphone. Oh wow, this whole part right here is the microphone. So this one right here just covers on top and like that. Oh, much easier to put on and to take off. Just pull it. Yeah, much easier to put on and take off. I do like this one. I do not like the fact that you cannot put this back here with this on. You have to take it off in order to put it back into the charging case. And you can't carry this in a charging case either. So you kind of have to carry it with the pouch here, which is not bad, but it does take away from just having one nice case to have everything in here. You also got your 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. There you go. This is the DJI Mic 2. Everything included, including all the stickers, the carrying case, the windscreens, and your cable. Boom, right there.